Open up. Yum. Chew it, silly.
Preschoolers to explore family dynamics and the diversity of the world around them, and to share and care by nurturing social and emotional development.
Hey, fat. You're fat. Keep it in your mouth. You know where I went wrong? I forgot your bib. Hi. Alright, Chubbs, let me get you some more. Grab the spoon. Oh, too much. Here we go. Oh, you're so bad. You're so big. Winky, winky.
Why, hello, Ruby. Hi, Max. One balloon coming right up. Watch this.
Hey, you. Oh, no. Don't grab the bowl. Hi. Hi, Winky. Maya. No, not that spoon. There's nothing on it. Hey, psst. Oh. Ugh. Messy girl. You're a lady. Ladies aren't messy. Come on, come get it. Where's your other arm? So, oh, perfect. There it is. Oh, put it back. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Say I'm gonna finish eating. Go night-night. Say I'm gonna finish eating. Go night-night. One more time. Come and get it. Pull it in. Say bye-bye, everybody. Oh, 2 hands now, huh? Say bye-bye. Maya. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Maya. Maya. Say bye.